Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura. Welcome to my channel. Today is day 24 of FACEMASKTOBER and we are testing out the Intensive Neck and Decolletage Mask from soo'ae. It's a smoothing and lifting mask. It is a premium biocellulose mask. I think that means it's that coconut fiber, but we'll have to read the back here and see. It says soo'ae's neck mask is shaped to cover your neck and decolletage. Deep moisture and age-fighting ingredients help to restore and improve skin smoothness, firmness, and elasticity. So I'm not seeing anything about it saying that it's the coconut fibers, so I guess we'll have to open it up and see if it's kind of like that same material. And the directions say to clean your skin thoroughly. I've done that. It was hair wash night again. Love hair wash night. Place the mask with gel side directly on clean skin. Peel away second protective layer. Okay. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, then remove mask. Take remaining essence and pat into skin. No need to rinse. So pretty easy peasy. Let's go ahead and get this on. And I'm liking the fact that I'm not noticing any like ear tag things. Oh, by the way, this was on clearance for $1. And I was at Walmart today and they have that V-up one that you stick around your ears that really hurt on clearance for $1 as well. So if you want to try out some painful V-neck masks, there you go. Also, I didn't realize that yesterday's mask was also going to kind of be like a firming thing. So this one is a firming thing as well. I tried not to do back-to-back stuff like that, but I didn't realize that other mask had that on there. So I do apologize about that, but it is what it is, and we're just going to continue on because FACEMASKTOBER is almost over. I really didn't mean to rhyme. Let's see. I don't want it to get all over my robe. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I was kind of expecting it to be bigger looking. Okay, that's just because it's all folded up. I might have to read these instructions again here. Are there 2 layers again? Did I miss that? Okay, so it says place mask with gel side directly on clean skin, and then the next step says peel away second protective layer. So I don't feel a gel side on either one of these, so they both have a protective side on it. So you have to remove one side first. Yeah, see now that feels like gel. So I'm removing one of that net side. And then the short end goes up top. And this goes along the back. Okay, this is already coming off, so let's take that off. Help me. So it looks like it's on a little bit crooked. And I can see an air bubble, so let's get that out. Another one that's like really weird looking when there's an air bubble. Kind of creepy. Oh, a little creepy. Alright, lots of extra stuff. So yes, once again, there are 2 sides that you peel off. So you have to peel off one first, put it on, and then the other one kind of just comes right off. And I'm going to try to take any remaining serum. Oh yeah, this stuff is nice and thick. That comes with a lot of extra, which is kind of cool. I ain't complaining. Oops. really moves around, so just kind of be careful. I can tell that it's completely on crooked now. I don't really know. There, it's a little bit better. I don't really think it's going to matter, but I guess for aesthetic reasons. Just be careful when you're rubbing the serum in. But make sure you get the rest of that. I feel like I'm talking with a neck brace on. Make sure you always try to get the rest of your serum out of your little sachets. That way you're not wasting any. I mean, that's product that you're paying for, so I don't know why I'm talking like I can't move my head. I do want to use up these other sets of rose gold eye masks, just because pretty much the rest of the masks that we have are all going to be for the face. So this is the last one I have that I can actually use these two. So we're just gonna use these up. Yeah, I don't know why I feel like, I guess I don't want it to get all bunched up because it kind of looks like it is. Yeah, you can already see where it's. I'll fix that before we set the timer. Okay. I meant to take a selfie while I have these eye masks on because I never did it last time. When I was in Walmart today too, I noticed that they had gold ones like this that correspond with the gold mask. I thought about grabbing them, but I don't know. I just kind of figured why. I don't really think they work that well. I know I said it's gonna let you know if it felt like that coconut fiber. It does feel like that same material, that really soft gel-like material. I will go, when I go grab my phone here, I'll go look up what Biocellulose means while we're waiting for the time here, and then I'll let you know what that means. Let's see here, 15 to 20 minutes. All right, so I'm gonna go relax for 15 to 20 minutes. It's gonna be 20 minutes. And we'll be back and we'll remove it and I'll let you know what I think of the results. Alright, so we are back. It has been the 20 minutes and all I did was sit there and do a few things on my phone, so I wasn't talking a lot. It didn't really move around a whole lot. You can kind of see here it kind of wrinkled up a little bit and moved. But other than that, it pretty much stayed where it was supposed to. I kind of feel like it's almost adhered to my neck. Like, it ain't going anywhere, guys. See, there's another bubble in there again. It's so weird when it gets a bubble in it. It looks like your skin's like blistered up. That's what it looks like. I probably should have moved the camera out a little bit more. I'll just have to sit back here further. But yeah, it's time to take it off. I really don't want to. I really like the way it feels. I love the way these Biocellulose masks feel. And now that I'm saying that, I completely forgot to look up what the meaning of Biocellulose is. So what I'm kind of gathering here just from overview of looking at different articles about what biocellulose means, it seems like it's a featured fabric that is made from either wood pulp or coarse fibers, one of those fibers being coconut fibers. They're also good because they fit like a second skin, and that's just what I was saying. I feel like it's almost adhered to my skin. It's not really going anywhere unless I make it move somewhere. The other kind of mask where it's like a fabric, I've read that they are bleached, so that's not really good for your skin to be putting that on your skin if it's been bleached. I understand why it's bleached, but it's still not really good for your skin. And then they start to dry up and they kind of start to fall off, which we've seen before in some of my other videos. You try to wear them for as long as you can, they kind of start to fall off. So, but they can be coconut fibers or they can be another kind of fiber. Some of the ones that we have done have been the coconut fiber. They stick to your skin really well. They feel like a second skin, not to mention that they feel really cool. If you haven't tried one yet, go find one and try it and you'll just won't want to stop touching it. It just feels, it's just so interesting feeling. I don't know how to describe it. It's just weird. Yeah, it is time to take it off now, unfortunately, so I'm going to do that. I hope you can't hear that. Somebody is talking to the cat, and it's not me. I did say to rub it in, I remember that much. And take these off. Those have pretty much have dried. See, like these gel ones, like I don't even feel like there is anything on them. I don't feel like they even do anything. I'm touching my eyes. I don't feel anything under my eyes. So I just really don't care for any type of the gel, hydrogel, whatever it is. I just don't feel like the serum can get into these like it can with the Biocellulose for one, or even with the regular sheet mask. Like those still retain some type of serum, but these gel ones, I don't see how they do anything. They feel good, you know, they feel nice and cooling. Maybe sticking the hydrogel ones in the fridge before you use them might be really nice. You could do that, certainly, but I just don't feel like these have the ability to retain any type of serum to even benefit you anyhow by putting it on your face. So to go over this mask, it says that it's smoothing and lifting. I don't really think it lifted anything. If it was one of the ones that went around your ears, I could possibly see it doing that, but I don't really think it lifted anything. Smoothing, I don't really think it smoothed anything either, but overall, it does say it's supposed to be a deep moisture and age-fighting mask. I can definitely see it doing that. I definitely feel really moisturized right now. It felt really good on. And, you know, something that's has a lot of moisture like that definitely can help you with age fighting. It can help you with smoothness, firmness, and elasticity too in the long run, but it's not going to be like an instant like uplift or anything like that. So that's all I really have for this mask. I really liked it, whether it lifted my neck or not, which I know it didn't, but I thought it was really cool. I might go see if they have any more now that I've actually used it. So if you've tried it, or if you're going to go see if you can pick it up, please let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. That way you don't miss out on my future videos. And until tomorrow's next FACEMASKTOBER video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye everybody.